Now, yesterday I was glued to my television screen as I watched Tiger Woods march down the 18th green and then put it away to win his 5th Masters and his 15th major. To me, this was not only a story in sports, but really a story about perseverance and dedication. So for those of you who don't know the story behind Tiger Woods, he obviously was the world's greatest golfer before he came off the rails many, many years ago. And then in the intervening 5 or 6 years, he's had 4 back surgeries. He's also 43 years of age. So it was highly improbable that he was, even in a post-match interview today, he said a couple years ago he didn't even know if he could play golf again. He was having difficulty getting out of bed. He was taking injections just to be able to stand up. He couldn't hold his kids. And so to overcome all his peers and overcome all of the great contenders in golf today, Nicklaus' time, there was probably about half a dozen great players. Today, probably about 50 people could win that major. So at 43 years old, he also was overcame the biggest gap between winning a last major at the Masters, which was 14 years since he won in 2005. So to my mind, this is not only a story about talent, but perseverance, dedication, and commitment. There's so many times where I'm sure you guys are struggling, you're facing certain challenges, there's certain adversity, and you think about just quitting or just trying something else. Your methodology isn't working, so you get frustrated, you look for the next great guru, and you abandon everything. So what Tiger said today was one thing that never was on the menu for him, and that was quitting. No matter all of the hurdles and obstacles that he had to overcome in the last decade or so, he never thought about quitting. And so this to me is, the byword of yesterday's event. I remember Roger Federer won in 2012, and then it was 5 years before he won his next slam. Muhammad Ali was predicted that he was going to get killed, literally killed in the ring by George Foreman when he knocked out George Foreman in the 8th round in Kinshasa. So these are stories about perseverance. So many times we think that people are just fundamentally blessed or they just have so much talent, but really it's the hard work, it's the dedication, it's the commitment, and it's the never say quit that really separates successful individuals from most others. So again, that's just my thought for today. Now, in the markets, right now, gold is crashing back down to the $1,280 level. I've been short gold for 3 or 4 weeks now. I got shorted around $1,311. Then I shorted it off the weekly chart around $1,285 a few weeks ago. Then it's been bouncing. It got to $1,312 last week, and I was not discouraged. Yes, it goes up and down, but I know where this thing is headed. So I'm just going to have the perseverance, the commitment. I'm willing to go through the ups and downs to endure it. And right now, gold is crashing. My positions are going profitable again. And based on the long-term patterns, I can't see that gold and silver have any other direction to go but lower. So with that said, I hope you have a healthy and prosperous trading day, and I will speak to you next time.